In a sun-drenched meadow at the edge of a golden horizon, a young boy named Caleb sits by a sparkling, crystalline stream. Beside him rests Barnaby, an old, faithful golden retriever with graying fur around his muzzle. Caleb strokes Barnaby's ears, his heart heavy with the realization that his loyal friend is tired. Suddenly, a soft, heavenly glow illuminates the path ahead. A figure appears, the Good Shepherd, carrying a wooden staff that radiates peace. He doesn't speak, but his eyes overflow with a kindness that transcends words. He kneels, reaching out a hand toward Barnaby. To Caleb's wonder, as Barnaby limps toward the shepherd, the dog's coat begins to shimmer and turn a vibrant, youthful gold. The stiffness leaves his joints. With a joyful bark that sounds like a bell, Barnaby leaps into the air, chasing a glowing white dove that circles above the shepherd's head. The dove leads them toward a gate made of pearl, where countless animals, lambs, lions, and beloved companions play in perfect harmony under a sky that never fades. Caleb watches as the shepherd tosses a shimmering ball, and Barnaby catches it with the strength of a puppy. Caleb wipes a tear, not of sadness, but of awe. He realizes that the God who created the heavens and the earth is also the God who cares for the smallest sparrow and the most loyal friend. He sees that in God's great kingdom, nothing loved is ever truly lost. The moral: God is the creator of all life, and his new heaven and new earth will be a place of perfect restoration and joy for all his creatures. Bible verse: "The wolf shall dwell with the lamb, and the leopard shall lie down with the kid, and the calf and the young lion and the fatling together, and a little child shall lead them." Isaiah 11:6.